So I bought a monster truck. So I recently bought a 1955 Ford truck to use as a parts truck for this truck. It's supposed to be running and driving, but it has sat outside for several months. It's looking pretty rough. I do want to see if I can get it running and driving by this video. I also kind of want to go through it with you just to see what it is. So let's dig in. A 55 Ford truck that I could use the parts on this 55 Ford truck. This is a full-blown show truck and it needs to have nice panels. I didn't want to use aftermarket panels. I wanted original. Took forever to find them. Finally found a truck. And the goal is take the beat up parts off of this truck and put them on that other truck. Here's the thing. I bought that truck about a month ago and I just realized I've never even tried to start it. It's been sitting outside in the rain. So yeah, let's throw a battery in it and see what happens. You should never buy something without, first firing it up and all that, but I'm an idiot, so naturally it's been sitting for about a month. And here's the fun part. No hood, no plastic, nothing over the engine at all. So I'm a little anxious to make sure there isn't water everywhere. I found out already today, I was looking for the keys and there's about 2 inches of water in the glove box. So we're not off to a good start, but let's see what happens. Oh, I hear something. What? Oh, the lights are on. All right. People always ask me, why do you use S10 so much? Why do you like them? The frames are narrow, they're perfect. If you do want to use a little 4.36 cylinder, they're just built like tanks. I swear to God, that thing has been outside at least a month here, and it was outside when we picked it up. So who knows how long that's been sitting outside, getting rained on, all kinds of shit. Literally the first turn, it just fires right up, which is awesome. I think I might as well throw it in gear and see what happens. It's a stick shift, I don't have a seat. We'll figure something out. We got a crate. I mean, we're sophisticated, baby. Also, the doors don't have latches, so the doors are gonna fly open. I am so excited. It actually ran and drove very well, fired right up. Obviously, it still has a ton of work that needs done. I just got it for parts for that truck, but obviously we're gonna take whatever we don't use, put it back on it, make it a complete running and driving truck, and then we'll get rid of it, we'll sell it, we'll do something fun with it on the channel, I'm not sure. I do want to say that I'm going to get tires put on the Mustang right now, and this truck actually came with a brand new set of steel rims and some big old 35-inch tires or whatever they are. And I think we're gonna go ahead and throw those on whenever they come back. Just gonna see what it looks like. I'm not gonna do anything else with it this video, but I do wanna see what it looks like with some 35s on it. So let's do that. Look at the size of these things. Oh my gosh. They're huge. I called them 35s. I don't know what they are. I think it says 31. So maybe they're 31s. I don't know. I don't do anything with big shit. So, all right, let's throw them on, see what it looks like. I'm kind of excited. We definitely got to tweak the wheelbase a little bit. Got the fenders too far forward. I think it might be just because they're sagging because the core support isn't in, but the wheels look so good. I mean, I am loving them. This thing is basically a monster truck compared to my other cars. Look at the difference. The front fenders are just sitting there, so. Holy shit, look at this thing. I am so happy that it's running good. I'm also really happy how those wheels and tires look. Just looks awesome. I mean, it basically is a monster truck next to like every other build I've ever done. Just usually don't build anything that's lifted or tall, so it's kind of funny. It is 4-wheel drive. It's gonna be a fun build. It is so low on the totem pole of shit I have going on in this shop and the other shop. I don't know when I'm gonna work on it again next, but I will keep you guys updated. Like I said, we'll probably do a giveaway or maybe just sell it outright or have some fun with it. I don't know. Whatever we do, I will definitely fill you in. We'll make videos of it. The good news is it's not gonna take much. I definitely gotta move the fenders around because the fenders are not lined up with the wheels at all, but it already runs and drives. It's not gonna take a ton. Just kind of need to get the interior done, stuff like that. But stay tuned for all that and more. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff they tell you at the end of videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace. Love ya.
I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you.